The iQOO Z10 Turbo is a powerhouse smartphone designed to elevate your mobile experience with cutting-edge technology, performance, and innovative features. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who values performance and efficiency, this device offers it all. Let's dive deeper into what makes the iQOO Z10 Turbo stand out from the competition. The iQOO Z10 Turbo comes equipped with a 6.82-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant and crisp visuals with a resolution of 1260 x 2800 pixels. This high-resolution screen ensures that your content looks sharp and immersive, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or browsing your social media feed. The 120Hz refresh rate provides ultra-smooth scrolling and seamless transitions, making every swipe and touch feel incredibly responsive. Whether you're gaming or simply navigating through apps, the high refresh rate ensures a fluid experience without lag. The AMOLED technology enhances color vibrancy and contrast, producing deeper blacks and more vivid colors, which means your media consumption experience is brought to life in ways you have never seen before. Whether you're outdoors in the sunlight or in a dimly lit room, the display's brightness is adaptive, ensuring visibility in any environment. With HDR support, the Z10 Turbo also enhances dynamic range for an immersive viewing experience. At the heart of the iQOO Z10 Turbo lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, built on an advanced 4nm process. This latest-gen processor offers unmatched speed and efficiency, making it perfect for handling resource-intensive tasks such as high-end gaming, multitasking, and video editing. The octa-core CPU delivers blazing fast performance with minimal power consumption, allowing the device to run multiple apps and demanding games simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Paired with a high-performance GPU, the Z10 Turbo ensures fluid graphics rendering and stunning visual effects. Whether you're playing the latest mobile games or watching 4K videos, the device's graphical performance remains top-tier. One of the standout features of the iQOO Z10 Turbo is its dual rear camera system. The device comes equipped with a 50MP main camera and a 32MP secondary camera, both of which offer outstanding performance in all lighting conditions. The 50MP primary sensor captures stunning detail and clarity, ensuring that your photos are sharp, vibrant, and true to life. Whether it's a scenic landscape or a close-up portrait, the main camera excels in a variety of shooting environments. The 32MP camera provides excellent support for wide-angle shots and detailed zooms, enabling you to get creative with your photography. With optical image stabilization, OIS, you can capture smooth and blur-free images even in low-light conditions or while on the move. OIS ensures that your shots stay steady, providing better clarity even when the camera is in motion. For video enthusiasts, the iQOO Z10 Turbo supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, enabling you to capture crisp, professional quality footage. The enhanced image processing features allow you to shoot detailed videos with stunning clarity, perfect for content creators who want to create high-quality videos directly from their phone. Whether it's vlogging, filmmaking, or recording a live event, the iQOO Z10 Turbo makes sure your footage stands out. The 7500 mAh battery in the iQOO Z10 Turbo ensures that you have enough power to last throughout the day, even with heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming content, or multitasking, you won't need to worry about your phone dying in the middle of the day. This massive battery capacity delivers impressive longevity, keeping you productive and entertained for hours. When it's time to recharge, the 100W flash charging technology comes into play, allowing you to power up your device in no time. The device can go from 0 to 50% in just a few minutes, meaning you can get back to using your phone quickly without long waiting times. For those who need to juice up on the go, the Z10 Turbo also features 7.5 watts reverse charging, allowing you to charge other devices such as headphones, wearables, or even another smartphone, making it a versatile power bank for your tech ecosystem. The iQOO Z10 Turbo is not just about performance. It also has a sleek and modern design that feels premium in your hand. The device features an ergonomic build with slim bezels and a large display that's perfect for media consumption, gaming, and productivity. It's lightweight yet solid, making it easy to carry around, whether you're at home or on the go. Running on FunTouch OS, based on Android 14, the iQOO Z10 Turbo offers a smooth and customizable user experience. The software is optimized for speed and ease of use, providing features like a game mode for an immersive mobile gaming experience, AI-based performance enhancements, and privacy tools for better data security. The interface is intuitive and clean, making navigation a breeze. The iQOO Z10 Turbo is expected to be priced competitively in the flagship category, making it an excellent value for the performance it offers. Whether you're in the market for a device to handle heavy gaming sessions, capture high-quality photos, or simply provide reliable all-day performance, the iQOO Z10 Turbo is a strong contender in its price range. In summary, the iQOO Z10 Turbo is a high-performance smartphone that brings together the latest technology, a stunning camera system, a massive battery, and fast charging into one sleek package. Whether you're a power user, a gamer, or someone who needs a device that can handle it all, the Z10 Turbo is a top choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech content.